Yeah, I was here first. Got a couple sandhill cranes coming over to visit. They come flying in here like they own the place. How you guys doing this morning? And you come over to say hi. I don't have no food for you. They're pretty tame. Sandhill cranes. They get awful friendly. You're awful close. Got two of them here. Now, are you a mate? I think you're close enough. I can literally reach out and touch them. I have nothing for you to eat. What are you guys? What's your name? You get any closer. You want to see my camera? Huh? Do you want to see my camera? What about you? I'm going to guess you're the male. You're a little bit bigger. And you're the female. I mean, I'm literally a foot and a half away from them. They come right up to you. Very friendly. They will eat. You got to watch. They'll see their reflection in your car and pick at your car and put a dent in it. So you got to be careful. Keep them away from your vehicles. Again, I said this one looks to be just a little bit bigger, and I'm guessing that's probably the male, and this is probably a female. I believe they mate for life. That's their thing. They meet up, they have babies. The babies will hang around so long, and then they leave them, and the two females. I've seen them where one feels lonely. It's all by itself, and apparently it will have lost its mate, and it'll it almost like it pines over the mate. And I have seen that happen before, and guys are very friendly there. Well, good morning, guys. I'm going to maybe fly my drone here a little bit. I know they don't like the drones. They'll kind of strike at them. It's the female. She's kind of walking away. She decided I probably had nothing to feed her, and you're still hoping to get a handout, and I have nothing for you. Probably not good to feed them. They, for one, rely on you, and two, the diet is not maybe what they need. You can see the other one has kind of drifted off a little bit, but I'm calling this one the male. Can you talk? They almost look cross-eyed. Hear them? Can you say something? That's not food. He's looking at my camera thinking it's food. You gonna follow me? Get these guys in the picture. Here they are, right behind me. Let's see if we can see the other one there. There's the other one. I don't know what he's done behind me here. Oh, I think he moved off. Alright, they're done with me. They come up and basically see if I had anything to eat. I'm sure somebody out here has been feeding them. Alright, there's Todd's new airplane. What is that one? What's the actual name of it?
PT-17.
A PT-17. Pretty cool. I haven't flown it yet. Wow, that's a cool radial engine on it. Be cool if that was real.
Whoa.
Yep. Keep it going. That has a little bit of a hard ground tracking, doesn't it?
I got it last time pretty good, but this time I guess I didn't do it very good.
Well, that's the torque. Torque to the left. Alright, it was a fun day out to the flying field. These sandhill cranes, they flew in there, and what they wanted was some food. Boy, they came right up to me, and I thought they was going to eat me, but it was kind of fun. Early in the morning, the sun rise. It was beautiful. There was some clouds that caused the sun to reflect off the clouds, and so it was pretty cool. Hey, if you enjoyed the little video out at our flying field, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, leave them in the comment questions section below. And if you're not a subscriber, I invite you to hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you guys next time. Hi, I just want to let you guys know we do have stickers available now. If you look in the description area below, you'll see a link where it links there to my PayPal site. And you can order. They're $5 each. So if you'd like some stickers, just click on the link down below.